Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. I hope you guys can hear me. Yeah, so we've been growing the account from about $10,000. We've made some profits, some good profits, little profits that we've made from the market. And yeah, we're still growing the account, as you can see. Remember, if you want to try my signals for about 3 months for free, message me trial on Telegram link in description below. We're up over 5,000 members in the Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members. And yeah, if you want to connect straight to my account, let's say you don't have time to trade, you're at work, you're at school, but you still want to make some money while being subscribed to my channel, while watching, while learning from the videos I upload, message me copy on Telegram and I'll tell you how to connect straight to my account. How the copy trade works is, for example, I have 10,000 in my account, you have 1,000. If I use one lot, it takes 0.1 on your account automatically. It's automatically calculated based on your account. So to be able to use that, you need at least 350 to 500 on your account to be able to take the trades that I take. And my exit strategy is hedging. Hedging is a way to make profit to cover your loss. So that means you're not taking any loss. For example, if you have 5 trades where you're using a stop loss and you lose 4 trades, you've lost $80. You won 1 trade, you made $20. So you're still down about $60. But if you're hedging, if you lose 4 trades, you hedge all of them out and you win 1 trade, you're up about $20 because all those trades you lost nothing because you made profit to cover it. I have some hedging videos. You can just go to my main page on YouTube and you'll see a playlist called hedging. Yeah, so it's multiple different types of accounts, some people's accounts that I even hedge, my account, student accounts. You can see that on the YouTube channel. Now, I had a question also about how does my software work? How does my system work with scalping? Now, I have 2 scalping systems, okay? One is very short term, one is very long term. My software shows me the direction of the market. It can be bullish, it can be bearish. However, I can buy in a bullish market, I can sell in a bearish market. It doesn't matter. If my system tells me, oh, there's this, I will look at the risk. When I look at the risk, I'll look at the possibilities available and decide if I want to take the trade or not. The software's job is to do analysis without emotional bias. Okay, so it's going to tell me the market is bullish. Even if I sell, that is my own personal decision. It is based on my system and I have a way to exit the trade if it goes wrong for me, if it goes bad for me. How you get the software is you go to the website, you look at the courses, you select the course and it shows you what it comes with. Every course comes with the software for free on MT4 and MT5 version, or you can get it separately on your own on the website. And yeah, like I said, if you want to test the signals, you can message me trial. You join the VIP Telegram room for 3 months to test it out. And yeah, you need at least $50 for that. So yeah, we'll see how many trades we have for today. We'll see what the market has for us and we'll see how the trade plays out today. Yeah, like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on. Make a comment on what type of video you want. And when you click the notification bells on, you click all notifications. And we'll be right back with the video soon. Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. I have to take this sell very quickly because there's a system B trade down there, as you can see. If you're a student, you should know what a system B is. 30, and let me set my take profit. There you go. All right, so a system B trade is one of my scalping systems which I use. If you're a student, you should know I have 2 scalping systems. Even if you're not a student, you're a regular watcher on this channel, Hedging Mastermind, you should know I have 2 scalping systems. System A, which is for quick profits, and system B, which is for larger profits. Okay, as you can see in the markets, we're looking at the 1 hour time frame. Let me see what is going. Let me just go back to the 5 minute time frame. Anyways, as you can see, I've set my take profits. This should give me a large amount of profits once it gets hit by the market. And yeah, remember, if you want to test my system, you want to get the free signals, look at this account. We've been growing. Our first trade was actually a hedge.
Okay, I don't know if you know, hedging is my exit strategy in which I use to make profits to cover any loss that happens in the market. Remember, you don't control the market. It's dumb to try to beat the market. I don't use support and resistance. I don't use moving averages. I don't use all those indicators. I simply look at price and trade price, and that's what I teach my students to do. I take my trades live. As you can see with this account, we've taken so many trades on this account, some small trades, system A trades mostly. I think this is our first system B trade. Let's see how it plays out. If you want to test if you want to get signals for free for 3 months from me, 3 months free signal, message me trial on Telegram. My Telegram group is in the description below, link in description below. And you just need at least $50 to be able to fund your own account with, and then you should be able to copy my trades, and you should be able to take my signals. And for those who don't have time to take signals, maybe you're in school, maybe you have work, you can simply just connect your account to my account using the copy trade system, which is like Palm. You message me copy on Telegram, link in description below, and make sure you have at least $350 to $500 to be able to fund your account with, get because of the account size, so that you, when I take my trades, it will be able to fit on your account also. When I'm hedging, it will be able to fit on your account also. And the PAM calculates your lot sizes according to my account size. So for example, if I have $10,000, you have 1,000. If I take one lot, it takes 0.1 lot. The profit is split every month. You take 80% of the profits, I take 20% of the profits. And make sure to join the free Telegram group. We're up over 5,000 members. Okay. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year, which I'm very sure we will do. And yeah, if you want to learn how I do this, go to hedgingmastermind.com. I teach my students with live trades. You can watch on my video. I teach my students also in person. We'll be taking live scalp trades, live swing trades, live hedging, and you also get the software. As you can see, the software tells me everything I need to do. It tells me the market trend, the market direction. It tells me where to exit my trades, where to hedge my trades. It gives me alerts. As you can see, it's giving alerts for buys, it's giving alerts for sell. As I'm taking this system B trade, it's giving me an alert right now to take sells. So it tells me where exactly to sell my system B, where exactly to take my system A trade. It does all the analysis, and I just need to use my system to decide if I want to buy or sell. Anyways, we'll be right back into more profits soon. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, we're back. As you can see, my take profit has been hit. The market came and went all the way down to strike down my profits. When I say the market must go short, the market goes short. When I say the market must go long, the market must go long. We made almost 400, or let's just say about $440 with this system B trades. Like I said, system B trades and hedging, they will grow and compound your account very, very fast. How was I able to do this? With confidence and assurance. Why? Because I've been able to see this happen many times. The more you see it, the better you get. It's just like driving. The more you drive, the better you get. And yeah, that's how it plays out. So we'll be right back. Let's see. We'll be right back with another trade soon. We'll see how the market plays out. We'll see what opportunities the market gives. I'm never trying to beat the market. I'm just looking at what the market is doing and how I can make profit from that. Okay, you can't beat the market. It's the currency of different countries. It would be delusional to try and use indicators with rainbow colors to try and imagine they are saying some rainbow colors crossed. So that is why you sold the currency of countries. That is not how trading is done. That is just gambling, and gambling with bad faith. I would never trade my money using that. Okay. Unless you guys are on serious, unless you're not making profits. If you don't know why you're losing, you will not be able to reduce your losses. If you don't know why you're winning, you will not be able to increase your wins. My system allows me to know why I won, when and why I'm losing. And once I know why I'm losing and I can identify it, and I know that the market direction has changed thanks to my software showing me all this, then you'll be able to hedge. Most people are hedging, they don't know if the trend has changed, they don't know if it's a buy trend, they don't know if it's a sell trend. That's why they lose. Okay. I do this live. I teach my students with live trades, and you can also learn to at hedgingmastermind.com. Make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in description below. Make sure to comment if you have any questions and tell me what type of videos you would like to see. Like, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bells on, and when you click the notification bells, click all notifications so that you stay notified to my live streams, my video uploads, my shorts, and whatever content I post. We'll be right back with another trade in the market soon.